Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to add money in Tabby Card. So let's get started. First open Tabby app. Then navigate to money option in the bottom. Then click on Tabby Card. Now click on top up. You can click on custom amount or you can drag this icon to select your amount. Okay, so for this video purpose I want to add 100 dirham, so I selected 100 dirham, then click on pay. After that select a card or you can add a new card, then click on pay. Wait few seconds. As you can see, I have successfully added 100 dirham in my Tabby Card. So guys, if you think this video was helpful, please make sure you subscribe to my channel.